Hingham Jewelers is a second-generation family-owned business that was started in 1948 by my parents in downtown Hingham. We had a fire in 1988 and burned to the ground. We then moved to this end of Hingham, and we've been here ever since. We handle everything. We do repairs, we do custom design, we do pearl restringing, we do battery changing. We're not just here for the sale. We're here for the service after and the long term. People are always coming in saying, oh, I don't think I can afford something in your store. You have such beautiful jewelry. And we do. But we also have gifts. So you can come in and spend $30 or $40 and get a beautiful sterling little pair of earrings or necklace. We have easily about 125 years worth of experience between the team that we put together. Doesn't mean everybody's old. It just means we have a lot of people that have been in this business and that are very knowledgeable. We just want to say welcome, and we look forward to becoming your jeweler and helping you with what you need.